So good morning all. Today once again we are going to see about the types of sentences, and in types of sentences especially we are going to see about assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence part 2. So part 2 in the sense means the students who were not attend my lecture yesterday, for them that what we have to do in assertive sentence is that we simply have to start our sentence in the sense our exclamatory sentence with the word how or what, and then we must use adjective or adverb. Okay, and after that we can use noun or pronoun, then verb, and then we have to simply put the exclamatory mark. Okay, now our today's word is that Seema is a beautiful girl. Seema is a beautiful girl. Now what we have to do is that, and yesterday I told you one rule, that when there is a or an in our sentence, then we must start our sentence, our exclamatory sentence, with the word what. But if there is no a or an in our sentence, then we must use how. Means we must start our sentence with the word how. So let's do this sentence. Seema is a beautiful girl. So there is a in our sentence. That's why we will start with the word what. Okay, what. Then there is, what is adjective? Beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. Beautiful girl. What is, please mute yourself. What a beautiful. Then we will use noun, because there is noun Seema. Okay, and last of the sentence we use is, because is our verb. Okay, so our sentence will be like this. Means in our assertive sentence, the sentence is Seema is a beautiful girl. But while converting it into exclamatory sentence, there is what a beautiful girl Seema is. Because I have already told you, means we have to start our sentence with the words what or how. If in our sentence there is a or an article, then we must start our exclamatory sentence with the word what. But if there is no article, means in the sense a or an, then we must use how. But there is an article a, that's why we have started here with the word what. Okay, then we have taken adjective, a beautiful girl. Okay, after that we have taken a noun, that is Seema, and at the end of our sentence we have taken a verb, as I have told you to put your verb at the end of sentence. So at the end of our sentence we have used is. So our exclamatory sentence will be like this: what a beautiful girl Seema is. Then we will move towards our next sentence, and the sentence is Rahul is an intelligent boy. Okay, the Rahul is an intelligent boy. So with what we will start this sentence again, because there is an article in our sentence. So we will start with what, then adjective. Adjective is intelligent. So we will use an intelligent what an intelligent boy. Then we will use noun. Noun is our, in this sentence, noun, our noun is Rahul. Then last of the sentence we'll use is. So our sentence will be like this: what an intelligent boy Rahul is. So in this way we will do or we will convert our assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Means we simply have to start our word with how or ought, what, then we have to use adjective or adverb, then we have to use noun or pronoun, and then we have to use verb, and then at the last of the sentence we have to put an exclamatory mark because it is also important. So I hope that all the students have understood all these things, but only one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that how and what. Means you should start your exclamatory sentence with the word what or how, but when there is a or an article, you should start with your sentence with the word what. But if there is no article a or an in your assertive sentence, then you must start your sentence with the word how. So I hope that you all have understood this, isn't it? Did you? समजलं का तुम्हाला? अभिजीत समजलं ना? So now I will ask one by one. Okay, I will ask you the sentences, the answer of one by one. Now our next sentence is, it has been a wonderful journey. It has been a wonderful journey. So who can tell me? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Abhijit.
sir. Sir.
You can tell me the answer. You raise your hand so that I will ask every one of you. What will be our answer? Yes. Let Abhi tell, and then Saurabh, you can tell the next one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What a wonderful journey has it?
There is a mistake. Who can tell me now? There is a minor mistake is there. You can rectify that mistake. Saurabh.
Haan, sir.
You can rectify your mistake by telling me the answer again.
What a wonderful journey has been it.
See, you have used what, because there is a in our sentence, that's why we have used what, right? Then you have used a wonderful journey because wonderful is our adjective, that's why we have used what a wonderful journey. Then you have to use what? Noun or pronoun. Is there noun or pronoun in our sentence? आहे का?
आहे सर.
कोणता आहे?
It.
Right. So our sentence will be like this: what a wonderful journey it has been. Understood? Saurabh?
Yes.
So
yes,
you have committed a minor mistake, but that mistake is sufficient to get you 0 mark. Okay. sorry, it been. So your sentence will be, what a wonderful journey it has been. Okay, let's move towards the next sentence. The next sentence is, it is a beautiful garden. Raise your hands. Who can answer the question? Okay, 2 participants have raised their hands. Now, Narayan, you can tell me the answer. It is a beautiful garden.
What a beautiful garden it is.
Very good. What a beautiful garden it is. What a beautiful garden it is. Then our next sentence is, it is a very big snake. It is a very big snake. Now, 2 more participants have raised their hands. Let me see. Abhi.
सांगू?
Abhi. It is a very big snake.
What a big snake it is.
Very good. What a big snake it is. Then the next sentence is, this was the most exciting match. This was the most exciting match. Raise your hands. Saurabh, do you want to tell? Saurabh?
No, sir. Second.
Okay. You can tell me. This was the most exciting match. How can we convert it in our exclamatory sentence?
सांगू सर.
Let Saurabh answer the question. Okay. Abhi.
हाँ सर सांगू.
Yes.
How exciting match this was.
Okay. But there is the article. Okay. And we have already discussed about this. But one more thing that I want to tell you here. If there is articles in our sentence, in our assertive sentence, then we must, yes. Let me explain first. When there is article in our assertive sentence, whatever our article may be, it may be an article, it may be a article, or it may be the, अरे अभी तुझा माइक बंद करना है, माइक बंद करून टाक ना तो.
Sorry sir.
See, it may be a article, it may be an article, or it may be the article. Please mute yourself. Okay, then we must start our exclamatory sentence with the word what. Okay, understood? Got it? Okay, then here, see, here is the article in our sentence. Okay, but when we will convert it in exclamatory sentence, then we must start with the word what. Now, see, most is again the word just like very, extremely. So we should remove such words from our sentence. Then we will use what and, because the adjective is exciting. Okay, exciting, the word exciting has started from the letter E, and that is vowel sound, and that's why we must use here an. See, what an exciting match this was. What an exciting match this was. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? काय चेंजेस केले आपण याच्यामध्ये? मी तुम्हाला एक रूल सांगितला, पण त्याच्यामध्ये मी द सांगायचं विसरलो होतो तुम्हाला, की जेव्हा आपल्या वाक्यामध्ये आर्टिकल्स ए, एन किंवा द यांचा वापर होतो किंवा हे अगोदरच आलेले असतील, तेव्हा आपल्या वाक्याची सुरुवात व्हॉटने करायची. समजलं तुम्हाला? येस ऑर नो? यू जस्ट मेसेज मी in my chat box. Did you understand? Okay. So जेव्हा आपल्या वाक्यामध्ये ए, एन किंवा द हे आर्टिकल असतील तेव्हा मात्र आपल्या वाक्याची सुरुवात वॉटने करायची. आता तुम्ही म्हणाल इथं द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग हे वर्ड्स आहेत, परंतु द का आलेला आहे? कारण की तिथं मोस्ट सुपरलेटिव्ह फॉर्म असल्यामुळे इथं द आलेला आहे. बरोबर आहे. मग या द चा एक्साइटिंगशी काही संबंध राहत नाही जेव्हा आपण आपल्या वाक्यामधून मोस्ट हा शब्द काढून टाकणार आहोत. म्हणजे आपलं वाक्य राहील मग धिस वॉज एक्साइटिंग मॅच. त्याच्याऐवजी आपण काय करू? धिस वॉज an exciting match because the article is already there, but there is the word most before exciting. That's why we have used the. But when the word most has been removed from our sentence, then we cannot use the before exciting. So we will use an before exciting because the word exciting has been started with a letter E, and E, as we know, E is a vowel sound. That's why we have used here what an exciting. What an exciting match this was. And at the end we have to put the mark. Do not use that annotation from your side. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
so yes. See, let me finish. Just a minute. Let me finish my PPT, and after that I will take all the doubts and will definitely clear all those doubts. Okay. Let me finish it. So in this way we can solve. Then our next sentence is the rose is a very beautiful flower. Okay. Who will tell the answer? Ankita? Saurabh? Narayan, sang. Yes, Narayan, tell me.
What beautiful flower the rose is.
Tell me again, there is a mistake.
Sir, Sangu?
Yes, Saurabh.
What a beautiful flower is the rose.
Right. Very correct. What a beautiful flower the rose is. See, what a beautiful flower the rose is. Just a minute. We will definitely clear your doubts. What Narayan has told, what beautiful flower the rose is. He didn't use A in his answer. That's why that I told him that was wrong. Okay, we will move on next slide. This was the most exciting match. We have already solved it, I think. Isn't it? Yeah. This was the most exciting match. We have already solved the example. What an exciting match this was. Okay. Then the next sentence is, he plays very nicely. Who will tell the answer? Who will tell the answer? Okay, Ankita, tell me.
How nicely he plays.
Okay, right. Yes. How nicely he plays. Very good. Then the next sentence is, the day is very hot. The day is very hot. Who will tell me? Just raise your hands. Abhi, Saurabh, Ankita, Narayan, sang. Yes, you can tell Narayan.
How hot the day is.
How hot the day is. Right. Then our next sentence is, it was a very lovely day. It was a very lovely day.
Sangu sir?
Yes.
What a lovely day it was.
Very good. What a lovely day it was. Then the next sentence is, we loved him very warmly. We loved him very warmly. Let me tell you the answer of this question.
Sir, सांगू?
How warmly we loved him. How warmly we loved him. Okay. So this will be the answer of this question. Then it is a very nice bird. It is a very nice bird. Now tell me, Abhi or Narayan or whoever.
What?
Yes.
सांगू, sir?
Right. Yes.
What a nice bird it is.
Right. What a nice bird it is. Then our next sentence is, the cuckoo sings very sweetly. The cuckoo sings very sweetly. Who can tell me? Yes, Narayan. Yes,
How
Narayan.
sweetly,
Yes.
how sweetly the cuckoo
Sings. It is sings. Okay. How sweetly the cuckoo sings. Right. Then the next sentence is, they were the most wonderful examples. They were the most wonderful examples. Who can tell me? Yes, Narayan. You raised your hand.
सर आधीपासूनच आहे वरी हात.
Okay. No problem. Who can tell me? Abhi, Saurabh, Ankita. Yes, Ankita.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, you
What?
try.
Sir, सांगू मी?
Let her try. Let her try. Yes, Ankita. Yes. Right. What a wonderful example. Ata, see now. What the wonderful examples they were. Or we can also say how wonderful examples they were. Okay. What the wonderful examples they were, or how wonderful examples they were. Either we can solve it with the word what or with the word how. Then our next sentence is, it is a horrible night. Who will tell?
what a horrible night.
Yes.
What horrible night it is.
What a horrible night it is. What a horrible night it is.
Night it is.
Then our next sentence is, only 3 sentences has remained, and then we will stop. We will stop in the sense, then I will clear all your doubts. China grows so fast. Who will tell? Who will tell? China grows so fast. Saurabh.
सांगू, sir?
Yes, Abhi. Narayan, tell me.
How fast China grows.
Yes, right. How fast China grows. How fast China grows. Then the next sentence is, the crow is very black bird. The crow is very black bird. Who will tell me?
Blackbird, the crow. सर सांगू.
Yes, Narayan.
What a blackbird the crow is.
The crow is. What a black bird the crow is. And our last sentence of our today's lecture is, India is a very peaceful country. Abhi, you have raised your hand. Yes,
what
Abhi.
a peaceful country India. What a peaceful country India is.
Very good. Right answer. What a peaceful country India is. Now, I will definitely clear all your doubts. Some of the students had doubt about maybe some of the question, but we will just wait a minute, and we will try to